What do you say?
My lord, she is saying that she is not her education is not good. She will not be able to earn any livelihood. So amount should be more because his salary is more than 70,000. Take home salary is more than 75,000, and his parents are even not alive. So there is no dependents, my lord. So at least half of that should be given to her. So at least 30,000 at least should be given to her
Per month.
per month, my lord.
And you propose for a fixed.
My lord.
Your,
Because, my lord,
your client is working where?
He is teacher, my lord,
Government
and
teacher, my lord.
government teacher, and he is having 3 children, my lord, and a wife, my lord.
From
And
second
furthermore, the loan is also already there, my lord.
That is your problem.
Yes, certainly.
We will not, like a chartered accountant will not make, and if it is not justified, your second marriage, then how you just throw the first wife out? How can it be? Think over it, otherwise we'll pass an order. Think over it. How much you expect?
My lords, as of today, the maintenance amount that is she gets 5,500 per month, but for that also more than 2.5 lakhs is outstanding. That is also calculated. It comes around more than 13 lakhs. So 5 to 7 is
How
anyways
much is the
very
outstanding?
less.
Where it is outstanding?
The application is pending before the family court, and the outstanding
No,
amount
under
is
section 24.
No.
125, my lords.
Okay, that's a difference.
So he is not regular in his payments also. More than
So-
around 2 lakh.
Why you have not paid?
Not that, my lord, I am not having instruction. I will seek instruction, my lord, to that effect. Because as per my lord, earlier he was saying that he is regularly paying rupees 5,500, my lord.
You say it is not paid. How she will survive?
It was regularly paid, my lord. The 5,000.
Will order the state, आपको भी salary वैसी दिया जाए. It should be reciprocal to this. Reciprocal to this.
At least, my lord, what my friend, my lord, may give the final proposal. What up to what extent, my lord, he is ready to, she is ready to settle, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, if not, my lord, then it may be listed for final hearing, my lord, if settlement is.
वो तो अब भी कर देंगे. Final hearing, not a worry. अब भी कर देंगे. Argue. Come on. We'll pass an order. कुछ नहीं, उसमें जरूरी थोड़ी कि कर दे. It is up to us.
Yes, certainly, my lord.
You try to play smart, we know how to control it. Final hearing, let it come after 6 years, no. अब भी सुनेंगे.
At least, my lord, what
बस कर
her
दीजिए.
proposal is there, my lord.
Argue.
What her proposal is there, my lord, that she may offer, my lord. Because what my party have said, my lord, that I have disclosed before your lordship, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, she is saying that she should at least get, if lump sum, she should at least get 40 lakhs because now she is living with her parents. So if she gets that money, she can build her own house and save that money for her future because she is only 45 years old. So it is not possible that she is going to conduct a second marriage. So the money will be her future security, my lords.
40 lakhs तो खैर नहीं दे पाएगा. Think over it. We fix it after a week कर देते हैं. कहाँ से आता है उनके client?
Hello?
Where from they come?
Jajgir, my lord.
हाँ तो they can
District
come.
Janchkir, my lords.
31st को लगा देते हैं. After the interaction with the parties, as we deem it proper to fix the case on 31st of October. We expect that on that date, some concrete proposal in respect of the alimony shall be arrived at in between the parties.
My lords.
As the parties have given sufficient time to ponder over it. Present sir. Both the parties shall present.
He is here, my lord. Corner person, my lord, that. Because
Oblige, my lord.
last 2 months, my lord, before 2 months, he had suffered from
And how
paralysis.
much you have paid? If you have not paid, come with the amount. We are not, since it's a other matter, 125, we know that what is to be done then. Orally, we are just telling how she will survive.
My lord,
But
she is,
as per
आपको यदि
instruction, my
salary
lord, he
वैसे
is
रुक
giving
के दिया
regularly.
जाए, survive कैसे करेंगे?
He is regularly giving, my lord, that amount, my lord,
my
as
lords,
per
I have a
instruction.
copy of the application that I have filed for recovery, my lords. If my lords may permit, I will produce it. I have a copy. It was filed in February 2022.
Clear the arrears.
My lord.
File it.
Clear the
File.
arrears.
File
Yes,
it.
yes, certainly,
I
my
will.
lord. I will.
By next
I
date,
will
you
ask, my
should
lord.
first clear, then we'll think over the other. अभी उसको file कर दीजिए.
My lords.
Give a copy to them.
I will. My lords.
31st.
Take part withdrawal of the GPF and pad him.
Whatever, that is your problem.
That is your.
My lords, earlier, a direction was also issued by this honorable court that on affidavit the salary should be paid, because when she tried to inquire through RTI, a written objection has been given by the appellant that my salary should not be disclosed. I have a copy whereby the DEO has directed the principal to disclose the salary. Till date, she has not received the reply, my lords.
You file the salary certificate then. We'll direct.
My lords.
Yeah.
Last time also it was
No,
directed,
it was,
but
there was
because of his
already, there
medical
was
condition-
already, already an order, my
Only
lord,
we
the
are
figure which
concerned
was
with-
there.
With her survival. They can't go along, it's okay.
My lord.
But then you don't pay anything, it can't be accepted, plain and simple. And salary, if you, what they say, you are creating a barrier, so we'll direct.
No, there was
Otherwise,
already
it's
an order,
directed
my
to
lord. The
place
honorable
on
court
record
was pleased
the
to.
latest salary slip. Khatam.
My lords.
My
Issue is over now.
My lords,
आपको
today
एक
is
copy-
before this honorable court, he can, my lords.
Basically, इसमें
Yes,
there's
sir.
not an adversary or something litigation, or we want to corner you. We are concerned with her survival.
My lords.
If we can't be placed in limbo. That's
She
all.
was kicked out of the house, my lords, and then he contacted
Chaliye.
second marriage. Much
31st
obliged, my
को.
lords.